Hello student, in previous video we have completed properties of the triangle. Okay, in that we have seen angle sum property of the triangle. Sum of three angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. Second property for the equilateral triangle, all the sides of the equilateral triangles are equal, all the angles are equal and each of 60 degree. And the properties for the isosceles triangle, the triangle in which two sides are equal, called the isosceles triangle, and the angle opposite to equal sides are equal, or the side opposite to equal angles are equal. This is the isosceles triangle property. Now in today's video I am going to take some question from exercise 6.2. We already completed up to question number 2 from this exercise. Here I take question number 3. Question number 3 is given. The angles of the triangles are. See on page number 115 question is given. The angles of the triangles are 10x minus 5. It is given in terms of the variable. Okay. Second angle is given 15x minus 10 and third angle is given 25x minus 5. Find their degree measure. This means here we have to find out the measure of each angle of the triangle. Now to solve this question, here I use angle sum property of the triangle. It means sum of all the three angles is equal to what? 180 degree. First angle is given what? 10x minus 5. Okay. Plus 10x minus 10. This is the second angle given. Measure of the second angle given in terms of the variable. And third angle is given 25x minus 5. Addition of all these three angles is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of the triangle. You have to mention this property. Okay, this is very important. After that, here we solve the equation. Now first we collect the variable terms. Which are the variable terms? That is 10x plus 15x plus 25x. Okay. Then numbers are there, minus 5, minus 10 and minus 5 is equal to 180 on right hand side as it is. Okay. Then we will do the addition of this like term. 10x plus 15x, this is equal to 25x plus 25x, here we get 50x. Minus 5, minus 10, minus 5. Minus 5, minus 10, we get the minus 15. Minus 15, minus 5, we get minus 20. Is equal to 180 as it is on the right hand side. Then this is the variable term. We keep on the left hand side 50x as it is equal to 180. We transfer minus 20 on the right hand side, become plus 20. Okay. Then 50x is equal to, sum of these two number is equal to 200. Therefore x is equal to, we transfer 50 which is in multiplication with the variable x. When we transfer on the right hand side, it will come in division. Therefore 200 divided by 50 here we get. Therefore x is equal to what? 4. 200 divided by 50. After calculation 0 0 we can cut. 5 4s are 20. Therefore here we get the value of x is equal to 4. Now we have to find out the angles in this triangle. Okay, we get the value of x is equal to 4. Then required angles are. Which are the angles given? First angle is given what? 10x minus 5. Therefore here I write 10x minus 5 is equal to, now we put the value of x here. Okay. Therefore 10 into 4, x, value of x is equal to 4. Minus 5 is equal to, 10 4s are 40, minus 5 is equal to 35 degree. Clear? Then after that, second angle is what? 15x minus 10. Therefore 15x minus 10 is equal to 15 into 4 minus 10 is equal to 15 4s are 60. 60 minus 10 is equal to what? 50 degree. Okay. Then third angle is given 25x minus 5. 25 minus x is equal to 25 into 4 minus 5 is equal to 25 4s are 100 minus 5, here we get 95 degree. In this way here we find out three angles of the triangle. If you have to check your answer it is correct or not, do the addition of all these angles, you will get 180 degree. See 35 plus 50 plus 50 plus 95 degree. If you will do the addition of these three angles, you will get exactly 180 degree. Okay, I hope student you understand this question. Now see the next question of this exercise, question number 4. Question number 4 is given, in right angle triangle, one of the acute angle is 2/3 of other. Find the angles of the triangle. Now in this word problem, one condition is given. Using that condition, here we have to first put the equation to find out the value of variable. Okay, this is the rule. Now what is given here? In right angle triangle, it means one angle is equal to what? 90 degree there. Therefore remaining two angles are the acute angle, and relation between these two acute angles is given. And what is the relation is given? One of the acute angle is 2/3 of the other. That is the condition is given between the two acute angle of right angle triangle. Here I write the sentence in right angle triangle. Here I consider let one acute angle be x. We don't know measure of these two acute angle. Here we consider that is x. And what is the relation between these two acute angle? Then second acute angle is 2/3 of the other. Okay, 2/3 means what? 2/3 of the other acute angle we consider as x here. Therefore here we get second acute angle is what? 2/3 of x. That is 2/3 into x. Of meaning of is what? Multiplication there. Okay. Now in this triangle, right angle triangle, one angle is right angle, one acute angle is x, and another acute angle is 2/3 of x. Okay. Now using that, here we do the addition of all these three angles is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of the triangle. Okay, relation between the angles it is given, so we can think about the angle sum property of the triangle there. Sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. X plus 2x upon 3. Okay, second acute angle plus 90 degree because it is right angle triangle is equal to 180 degree. Clear? Now which are the variable term? These two are the variable term. We transfer this 90 on the right hand side of the equal sign. Become minus 90. We solve this. Now there is no denominator means there is 1. We do cross multiplication. 1 into 3 we write in denominator 3. Then 3 into x that is 3x. 1 into 2x that is 2x. Plus sign is there plus 2x. Is equal to 180. We transfer 90 become minus 90. Now what is remaining here? 3x plus 2x that is 5x is equal to 180 minus 90, this is equal to 90. We transfer 3 on the right hand side which is in division, it will come in multiplication. Okay. Therefore here I write directly 90 into 3. Clear? Therefore x is equal to 90 into 3 on the right hand side as it is. We transfer 5 which is in multiplication with the variable, it will come in division. Okay. Then 5 ones are 5, 18s are 5 18s are what? 90. Then 18 into 3. What is remaining here? 18 into 3 divided by 1. 1 there is no right to write a denominator 1 here. X is equal to 18 into 3 we get x is equal to what? 54. This is the value of x. X means what? One acute angle. Then we have to find out the second acute angle of this triangle. And second acute angle is given by 2x into 3 is equal to 2/3 into, that is 2/3 into x into value of x is equal to what? 54 here we find. Okay. Then we do calculation here. 3 ones are 3 18s are. Okay. Then what is remaining? 2 into 18. 2 into 18 that is 36 degree. Clear? Therefore required angles of the triangles are, what is 54 degree, 36 degree, this is one acute angle, second is what? 36 degree, and right angle means one angle is what here? 90 degree. If you will do the addition of these three angles, you will get 180 degree. Okay student, I hope you understand this question also, how to use the condition given in the question to solve the question. Okay student, now this is all for today. Thank you for listening me. Thank you.